this video, we're going to replace this fill valve with the Fluidmaster universal toilet fill valve. It's pretty much identical. Stay tuned for the whole video. What's good, everybody? Today we're going to show you how to swap out a toilet fill valve. You do this when you have a noisy toilet, or your toilet is not flushing fast enough. Now that's not dirt, that's just rust, in case you guys are wondering. This is a rental, so you see how slowly, and there's like no suction happening here because there's not enough water in here. So we're going to take this off and we are going to swap out this entire mechanism. Now to do that, we need to drain that entire tank. And to do that, we need to close this. You hear that? So that's filling up the water. So we're gonna disconnect this from the bottom, and then we're gonna take this whole thing out. This is just clipped on, right? So this part stays. This part stays. This is what releases the water. So we can release the water by pulling this, and then we're gonna unscrew, take that out basically. It's at the very bottom. So let's go and take our universal fill valve. Let's see what's inside. Now, before you start buying new pieces, just know that there may be a way to fix this with this. So this little lever has this screw. So this is kind of how you adjust the level of the water. This one also has it. You can see it's right here. There's like, you need a screwdriver, but you can also just twist this like that. See that? So you could do that, but that one's obviously not working. So we're gonna go swap this out. So this is what we want to remove from the bottom. This is a gasket. And then we're gonna place this through that bottom hole. First you want to turn off the water to the toilet. Then you want to drain the water. So you're going to flush the toilet to drain most of the water from the tank. Remove the water supply connector from the bottom of fill valve by twisting connector nut to the left. You may want to use a wrench. Remove the old lock nut, which is the white one. Then you want to remove the old fill valve. Make sure that you have a bucket underneath because there'll be little water in there. Now you want to adjust the height of the new valve. You want to twist the fill valve to adjust the height. Do not move the lock ring. Twist it left. Increasing height allows more water to fill in the tank. So if you want to have more water in the tank, you want to grab this and then this turns. Okay, so twist it counterclockwise to have more water, and if you want to have less water, you tighten it this way and then you press it in. So you have a tank water level. So you turn this. The old one is screw, but we're not going to worry about that. You have a refill tube, so the tube goes in here. And then this other end goes into here. And then the refill clip clips onto here, and then the water basically drains in there, and then that fills up the bowl. So there's a rubber washer. Make sure that the washer is inside when you put it down. And then you take this plastic piece and then you screw it underneath. Put the lock nut back on. Now we put the fill valve in, and we put the valve clip on, put that inside, and we hook that onto the old pipe so it stays when it fills the water. And now we connect our hose, and now we turn the water back on. All right, so make sure that you clip this on the inside, and the water has to go in the tube, and you can see that we have a lot more water. Let me flush it. Oh yeah, way better. And it's gonna fill up so much faster than the previous one. So if you wanna raise the level a little more, you do not wanna go above this pipe. And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.